Wakey, wakey, it's Sunday morning and you're tuned in to GM to you. Good morning to you. The perfect mix of comfort talk and weekend warmth.
I'm Miguel with Stephen and RG, and today we're talking about weekend morning feels, childhood breakfast favorites, and the never-ending question ng madlang people, coffee, tea, or me. Hindi, joke lang.
Weh! Pa-cute!
Juice na lang.
Cute!
Joke lang. It's milk tea or coffee in the morning.
Plus, we've got fun trivia, throwback to morning cartoons, and a little quote to leave you inspired.
Wow, ang linaw ng pagbabasa ni RG.
Yeah!
So let's start your morning right. This is GM to you.
Alright, so let's take a little trip down memory lane. So alam mo yun, yung mga nung kabataan natin, di ba? Parang, syempre, kung titingnan mo yung vibes noon tsaka ngayon, sobrang iba. Like, in my case, nung bata ako, ako yung ako yung tipong bata na pagising, lalo na pag Sabado ng umaga, yung gigising ka, tapos, buksan mo ni TV, lalabas na yung Dragon Ball, di ba? Medyo lumabas yung pagkatanda ko doon.
Not really. Hindi naman. Umabot yung Dragon Ball hanggang sa around my
Pinanganak
time
po
din.
si Migs nung ginagawa pa lang yung EDSA.
Yes, exactly. Wala
Kasi
pang
Stephen,
people
wala
power
pang-
revolution.
Tanda.
Kasi Stephen pinanganak, wala pang may bundok pa sa Hindi, may bundok pa sa buting.
How about you guys? Paano yung Paano yung kabataan nyo? Like weekend morning, Saturday, what do you guys usually do? Ako cartoons
Same cartoons. Pag morning, GMA, di ba? Laging may
GMA.
mga cartoons. Either Doraemon or Mojo.
Doraemon. Right.
Ewan ko kung alam nyo pa
Ay,
yung Jacko.
hindi naabutan namin yun. Dude, I was watching, talagang old school, Slam Dunk.
Slam Dunk,
At one point,
Pokemon.
umere yung initial D umere yun sa umaga Pokemon, right. Detective Conan, this TV5 na daw. Makibao, SpongeBob. Nabutan ko lahat yun. I don't know about people past 2007, pero yeah, yun yung mga TV ko. Yung mga TV shows ko.
Right. Kasi yun nga kung titingnan mo yung panahon, kasama ko na kayo kasi pare-parehas tayo
Alas, hindi naman tayo nagkakalayo, honestly.
Oo, hindi tayo nagkakalayo So yung kabataan natin nun, ganun gigising tayo ng maaga para manood nga nung mga Tagalog dub cartoons nung panahon. Ngayon, katulad nung mga meron akong mga nakababatang pinsan na talagang lumaki na sa Cocomelon, ganyan.
Akala ko Martin.
Pero,
Coco
ganun, di ba?
Martin!
Pero di ba, parang sila, kahit minsan mapapansin mo na gigising sila maski 11, 12, tanghali na. Pero parang in the same way, parehas. Kasi pagkagising nila, iba lang yung pinapanood nila. Pero kasi yung accessibility nung pinapanood nila, pwede mong ulit-ulitin. Hindi yung parang sa atin na, in demand siya. Hindi yung parang sa atin na kailangan natin gumising ng maaga para, para maabutan.
Pero iba pa rin yung thrill ng paggising ng umaga, totoo lang. Like yung may hinahabol kang program, iba yung thrill nun
So can we say we are trained more better to wake up early or not?
Hindi.
I agree.
Kasi hindi na ako hindi, trained tayo, pero hindi na ako morning person.
Disciplined.
Disciplined lang.
Aside from the morning cartoons na pagkagising natin sa umaga, usually in my case, nung panahon, pagkagising ko sa umaga, yung nanay ko nasa nasa kitchen na yan, nagluto na yan ng paborito kong tender juicy hotdog tsaka kanin. Kasi yan yung breakfast ko So kayo ba, nung aside from watching cartoons, ano yung usually, sino yung una nyong nakikita? Ako kasi yun nga, yung nanay ko na nasa kitchen, nagluluto. Kayo ba? Ano yung una nyong nakikita pagising nyo sa umaga nung panahon?
Ako same as you. Pero Lucky Me lang yun. nila.
Pansit Canton. Let's go.
Kaya alam mo na yun, pag nakakaamoy ka na ng toyo mansi, kailangan
alam na.
gumising.
Teka, quick question. Yung Pansit Canton mo ba may kanin? Wala. Hot take. Ako kasi meron eh. Kailangan yung Pansit Canton ko may kanin eh. Hindi pwedeng wala eh.
Hindi ako iba. I sway towards the other extreme. Tinapay naman ako.
Tinapay.
Ayan, iba. Yan ang ultimate Pinoy breakfast.
Oo. Tinapay, Lucky Me, tapos kape. Minus kape.
Hindi ako nagkakape. Hindi at that time.
Isipin mo, 5 years old, nagkakape.
Ang depressing ng kindergarten.
For me, one of the biggest things kapag weekend is kapag walang pasok. Let's say, long weekend. Let's say, walang pasok either Friday or Monday. So, parang
hanggang ngayon naman, long
di ba? Yun yung one thing na hindi nagbago. Kasi, parang excited pa rin lahat ng tao sa long weekend. Parang, I guess yung difference lang is mas excited yung tao na long weekend ngayon kasi mas madami nang pwedeng gawin outside your time from school or work.
Kasi perpetually wala ka ng summer vacation versus 20 years. Wow.
Right.
Am I really showing our age 20 years ago?
Hindi na ba? 20 years ago talaga.
Well, for you guys, kasi 20 years ago, 4 years old ako.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi. My point being lahat tayo single well, not kay Stephen, pero single digit. Tayo for the most
okay. Tapusin mo yung sinasabi mo. Huwag ka humihinto. Iba yung meaning.
Hindi, para may onting patama sa'yo. Hindi, joke lang.
Ay, double digit rin naman kayo
Ha?
Sure.
20 years ago, si Migs.
Sure.
Sure. Close lang. Ako yung pure double digit. Hoy!
Gap nga, diba? Sabi ko. So, we're here on our next segment, which is What's on Your Plate? So, tatandaan natin at aalalahanin natin lahat ng ating kinain nung ating pagkabata. Sorry. Ano may Tagalog ko? Parang naghahalo yung English.
Ang mas masakit sa sinabi mo yung yung pagkabata. Bata pa naman tayo
Bata
in denial talaga eh.
Wala pa namang 100 si RG.
Hindi. Walang in denial. Hindi pa tayo 40. Hindi,
wala ka pang 100. Pag 100 ka na, matanda ka na.
Pag sinagad, di ba may age rating sa Lego? Pag sinagad mo yun, matanda ka na.
Speaking of sabaw, masarap yan pag umuulan sa umaga. Pero breakfast is a serious business in Filipino households except if you are diabetic and you take intermittent fasting.
Hindi pa rin.
Yun talaga yung sagabal sa perfect breakfast eh. Yun yung sagabal nun eh. Intermittent fasting tsaka kung may sakit ka.
Oo, diba? May mga crowd favorites tayo. Kahit naman sa Jollibee, meron to.
Yes.
And kahit sa ang tapsilugan dyan, meron tapsilog, which is tapas, sinangag itlog, long silog, at tocino. Diba? Pero nasubukan nyo diba yung langgonisa, bacon, sinangag, itlog.
Yung combo na yun?
Labas itlog.
Paano masabihin yun?
Labas itlog nga. Langgonisa, bacon, sinangag, itlog.
Mukhang masarap naman. Tsaka medyo accurate.
Na-try ko yun. Na-try ko yun, pero hindi ko alam na yun pala.
Na-try mo yun? Oh my God.
Oo.
Medyo accurate sa Filipino, di ba?
Na-try ko na din yun. Na-try ko na din yun sa banyo. Oo, na-try ko din yun sa banyo. Labas itlog. Pero legit, na-try ko yun. Hindi ko alam na yun pala yung tawag doon.
Sorry medyo social ako. Sa lahat ng mga silog, ang paborito ko, corned beef silog. Sorry. Lalo na yung sa Jollibee na corned beef silog.
Hanggang ngayon naman same quality. It's still Delimundo, guys. Look it up.
That's
yeah.
true.
Ang alin? Ang corned beef ng Jollibee, Delimundo?
For the longest time.
Parang lasa Argentina lang yun.
Well, I guess, hindi ko na natatry now. Di ko na natatry now. Pero, back in the day, kaya ang sarap-sarap nun, it's because Delimundo. At that time, yung Delimundo, they were only selling to, commissary lang sila. Tapos biglang nagbenta na sila to
public market.
private.
For our audiences who are just tuning in, welcome to Business Insider. Naging-negosyo yung usapan.
Naging negosyo, Jollibee.
simula lang gunisa, bacon, sinag, itlog, naging, komisary yung ganito.
Jollibee stocks are down ever since they purchased other food companies like Tim Ho Wan.
Abangan nyo yan sa susunod na snap. Pag-uusapan namin yan. Speaking of breakfast, di ba, ang staple dyan lagi mga longganisa. Ayan. Babalik na tayo sa longganisa. What is your favorite type of longganisa?
Vegan and lokban. Dalawa.
In a clean manner. Please answer in a clean manner.
Ako vegan.
Yung nilalabas sa umaga. Ay,
yung kinakamot pagising. Ang baboy.
Yung mas nauna pang nagigising sa'yo.
Ito na po ang huli namin palatuntunan sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat.
First and last episode.
Sorry guys. One off lang to.
Pero ex-deal na pala. Pero yung mga vegan longganisa, masarap yun. Anything garlicky and
yes,
medyo
spicy.
Vinegary and spicy.
Exactly.
That
Kaya
is
favorite
the
yung
best
vegan. Kasi
hot take. Ayoko ng hamonado. Ayoko ng matamis.
Ayoko rin.
Sino ba yung matamis yung longganisa? Kasi every time na mag-order si ma'am sa Tapsilugan or every time na may tatry akong longganisa, tas matamis pang sabihin namin, ano to, candy?
Hindi ba si Pampanga yung matamis?
Yeah.
Hindi, pero may isa pa alam ko like super tamis. Like,
baka
may isa pang
yun, yung mga Ricardo hamonado. Mga provincial, yun, mga Bulacan, Cavite.
Like, no offense, meat should taste like meat. Sorry.
Actually, hindi cured.
That sounds suspicious. Pero, meat. Hindi. Sorry guys.
Morning show.
Hindi, pero totoo lang
RG.
Galing pa sa midnight.
Pero kumakain ba kayo ng tuyo with kamatis?
Ako, lumaki ako sa iba. Hindi kamatis. Scrambled egg. So, tuyo. Di ba, tuyo? Tapos scrambled egg. Tapos ibabalot mo ngayon yung tuyo sa... So, kukurot ka ng scrambled egg, tapos konting tuyo, tapos babalot mo, tapos sasawsaw mo sa suka, tapos kanin.
Masarap yun.
Yan, masarap yan. Lalo na pag garlic rice.
Pero ang galing naman ng nagluluto sa inyo, ganun kanipis yung scrambled egg nyo. Kaya mo gawing crepe.
Magaling yung nanay ko eh.
Tapos
Shout out sa'yo! Shout out sa'yo, nanay!
Shout out!
Wash out!
Ito na tayo. Kanina pa namin pinag-uusapan to sa briefing, pero sabi ko, tumahimik muna kami kasi baka wala na kaming ma-record. Ultimate debate, garlic rice or plain rice for breakfast?
Garlic rice.
Garlic rice forever!
It depends.
Bakit?
Talaga? Bakit?
Mo?
Hindi,
Anong
kasi
condition mo?
Minsan kasi ang breakfast mo is yung tira nyo kagabi. So sabihin mo magkakaldereta ka, kaldereta yung ulam nyo kagabi, kaldereta ka sa breakfast magkakaldereta ka. Kakain ka ng with garlic rice nun?
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
Ginawa ko yun.
Mas masarap nga yung garlic rice kasi one day
Machado
old.
nga eh.
Hindi kasi parang yung garlic rice, it is made specifically for a breakfast item. But not
Hindi.
for something that, like kare-kare. You will eat
Hindi,
kare-kare
yung-
with garlic rice.
Hot take,
I
hindi
would
ako
like
makain
to-
kare-kare.
I would like to debate na pag kumain ka ng garlic rice sa umaga, parang nag-reset yung araw mo. Kasi pag kinakain ko breakfast for white rice for breakfast, parang hindi nag-reset yung araw ko.
Pero hindi ba, is it palatable?
Oo.
Hindi kasi parang hindi kaya ng dila ko na garlic rice tsaka kare-kare. Diba?
Paki-revoke
Tas
nga po yung
may-
Filipino card niya.
Paki-revoke
Kasi
po.
yung
Kailangan
tapa,
sinangag.
yung tapa, very, very okay siya sa sinangag eh. Diba yung lasa niya, parang nag-bind sila together. Pero
Well, gets.
adobo tsaka garlic rice.
Pero,
Or kare-kare.
Well,
I mean,
well,
magpi-play ako ng konting devil's advocate kay Stephen dito kasi may mga taong ayaw ng garlic bread. So, sa ibang tao, mas gusto nila plain rice lang. So, I guess, in a way, may point si Stephen na depende. Pero ako, wala akong pakialam eh. Garlic rice. Walang atrasan. Pag meron, garlic rice.
so,
I mean, kung
parang
may
hindi
garlic
kompleto
rice,
araw ko pag wala.
Exactly.
kung may garlic rice naman, kakain naman ako naman. Hindi ko naman sinasabi hindi ako kakain. Pero parang may binabagayan siya na pagkain.
Garlic.
May point ako na gustong i-add with regards to garlic rice. May mas masarap sa garlic rice.
Ano?
Yung chicken oil rice ng Mang Inasal.
Yes.
Yan! Yan!
Yes.
Staple yan ni Ninong Rai, di ba? Yung chicken oil. May rason yun kung bakit. Kung
Actually, any of the
Pilipino ka,
special-
tas hindi ka mahilig sa chicken oil rice, mahiya ka naman. Hindi ka Pilipino.
Actually, sa sobrang gusto ko siya, nagka-indigestion ako. Like, parang I spent half a bottle. Kasi kumakain ako sa JT's one time. Like, lahat na lang
Manukan.
nilalagay ko. Yung sisig, yung barbecue, yung kanin, yung soup. Kinabunan ko ng chicken oil. Turns out the next day, nagka-indigestion ako. With so much oil sa stomach ko.
Yan. Chicken oil rice, tapos yung garlic chips sa taas, tapos liempo o kaya barbecue. Woof. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, wala akong pakialam. Pag yan yung handa, yes!
Habang pinag-uusapan natin yan, compare ko yung, kasi I've been watching recently a Korean variety show where it shows them eating, yung eating routine nila. Pag nakikita ko yung mga Korean, parang ang daming gulay, ganun. I mean, ang Pilipino,
Tapos maliliit yung portion, maliliit na plato lang.
Tapos, chopstick. Eh, di syempre, hindi mo naman yun, kung ano lang masisipit ng chopstick, yun lang makukuha mo. Pero yung Pilipino,
I guess that's why they're thinner than
parang lamong construction worker yung ano eh.
Parang wala,
Tapos
parang hindi
bubuhusan ng
nakakain.
sarsa.
I guess
Parang
kaya
wala
maganda
nang
yung figure ng karamihan.
Oh,
That's true.
actually, yeah.
Tayo, yung plato na natin, malalaki, as in talagang malaki na yung plato na nakukuha natin. Puno na yung plato, ganun pa kataas.
Oh, may bundok.
Tapos malaki pa
Tas
yung kutsara. Kulang na lang gamitan mo yung kutsara nung sa bahay ng lola mo, yung naka-display.
Naka-display. Pahirap
Uy,
naman, kain lang kanin.
Tapos yung mga kaldero ng mga ulam, hindi kaldero, minsan wok. As in yung malaking, yung binubuhat talaga.
Yung pang
Yung
restaurant.
two-man job, yung kailangan wok, industrial grade wok, yun yung ganun kalaki yung mga lutuan dun.
Actually.
Tapos pag ang niluluto doon, mga dinuguan, ganyan, laman loob. Ay, nako.
Sarap.
Nakakamiss.
Nabablock na yung arteries ko thinking about it.
Nakakamiss.
It ain't a Filipino breakfast kung walang cholesterol.
That's true.
Yeah.
Kung hindi ka magkaka-gout, hindi yan Filipino.
Di ka Pinoy pag wala kang minor gout.
True.
Go.
Hi!
Ay, ka rin.
Let's move
Magugas
into
na
our
tayo.
next segment. Magugas na tayo. Well, hindi. Di pa rin kasi may pagkain pa rin yung next segment natin. Segment 3, Morning Bites. Pero hindi yung mismong segment is about food. We're gonna talk about a very dear and heartwarming let's say breakfast dish sa mga Pinoy kasi hindi to niluluto eh. Unless you're outside of the Philippines, well, no choice, magluluto ka. We're gonna talk about unscripted to, taho.
Wow! Meron
Taho
talaga
ba yan?
taho.
Ang putla naman ng taho.
Haluin mo ka!
Kasi medya ako.
Ano ba? White sugar yata ginamit dyan. Hindi brown sugar.
Hindi naman. Pero feel ko it's because kung sino man bumili nito knows exactly who I am.
Haluin mo kasi,
Tasang
baka sa
sugar.
ilalim lang.
Hindi, ito. It's pretty brown. It's pretty brown. Kasi clearly
Ikaw na may
kilala
taho.
ako ng Oh, ha?
Ikaw na may taho.
Oo nga. Sorry na. Okay. Sorry, may script change pala. Let's serve you with today's morning bite.
Okay na yun.
Joke lang. So, did you know, ladies and gentlemen, Migs and Stephen of the Philippines, na
Nasaan ang
ang
ladies
taho,
dito? Ay,
magkunwari ka na lang, in-acknowledge ko na lang kayo. Taho is made of, fresh, itong puti let me point it out, yung puti is made of fresh, soft silken tofu. Hindi pwede tokwa, hindi pwedeng firm tofu. It has to be soft silken tofu. Ask me how I know, kasi mga kamag-anak ko sa States tried it with medium firm tofu.
Nope.
It was not enjoyable.
Nope.
And mind you, yung iba sa mga kanila nakapostiso na. Sorry.
So, ano na nangyari?
You can guess what happened.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, tas yung second ingredient which is clearly not present kasi medya yung consumer nito is yung nagpapa-brown nito, arnibal. Pero usually it would be a black sediment dito sa ilalim.
Yes.
Kaya you'd have sweeter taho. Actually, totoo lang, kung ako yung bumibili, sinasabi ko, and alam ko bawal to, and my doctor will hate me for this, Kuya, penge extra arnibal.
Keywords yan, keywords.
Words. Extra arnibal. Oo. Kung hindi pwede, Kuya, penge ng molasses, sugar molasses, no. Arnibal yan. Tapos you would get yung long fin spoon, tapos sasabihin ko, dalawa nun as in yung dalawang punong ganun. Anyway, yun yung nagpapatami sa taho. And lastly, which is, di ko alam kung maaanggulo ko to.
Ayun, natapon na.
Tapon.
Natapon na.
Okay lang, waterproof naman ang keyboard ko.
Kung nasa Squid Game tayo, patay na po si RG.
Matagal na akong patay. Anyway, okay, gaganto ko na lang, ha? Okay. See those mga kids.
Boba.
How do you do, fellow kids? Boba tea. Hindi, it's boba.
Wait. How do you pronounce it again? Boba.
Boba tea.
Hindi boba. Iba po yun.
It's boba. Boba tea.
Boba tea. Gnarly. Tesla. Gnarly. Fried chicken. Gnarly. Party in the Hollywood Hills. Hindi, seryoso, this is the close relative of boba. This is sago to the kids. It's not boba. Pagtaho, it's saho. Sago.
Saho.
Saho. Tung saho.
Sago.
Para
Joke
sa ating mga international viewers, in English, tapioca
for interfans.
pearls.
Tapioca pearls. Oh.
Tapioca
And it's not the
pearls.
black. It's tapioca pearls. It's probably white. It's kasi there's black tapioca pearls.
Yeah.
Very different
white
siya. This
one.
one has no flavor at all. Oo. At all. Texture
It's
lang
more
siya,
for
which is quite
texture,
ironic.
yes.
Oh, which is quite ironic coming from the Philippines kasi Asian countries stereotypically prefer flavor over texture. Like many great Filipino things, apparently, it's an adaptation of the Chinese dohua. Or
Yes.
correct my pronunciation na lang. Pero ang point dito is, hindi siya original. Like many great Filipino things. The fluorescent light. Si Florante.
Nakita ko yun.
Oo, nakita ko din yun.
Dati yung
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Yung sa incubator, yung mga ganun.
Mga
Let's not
Philippine
go
myth.
there.
Ibang canoforms yun. Those are actually myths yun. Anyway, it's an adaptation of Doha and like many great Filipino things, siomai, lumpiang
Siopaw.
siomai, siopaw, lumpiang hindi
Anything
lumpiang
lumpia,
sariwa,
actually.
lumpiang Shanghai. Oh, actually the whole lumpia family, oo.
Yeah.
Tas yung mga pansit, which is Essentially, all Filipino adaptations of Chinese dishes. May tawag pala sa lata na binubuhat nila kuya. Yung aluminum buckets na yun with the pole, it's called latang taho. Weird, diba? Kasi yung latang taho, you'd associate with taho, pero may ibang tindero, yung ganun yung buhat-buhat, yung binibenta nila kutsinta, balut, diba?
Actually. Hindi latang kutsinta yun.
Kutsinta, oo. Hindi, pero latang taho apparently. Naalala ko lang pala, why does it always taste better pag bibili ka sa magtataho versus sa mall? Ano yung take nyo dun?
Alam niyo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Nakita nyo
kahit may latang taho sa mall, bakit?
Habang ini-scoop nung magtataho yung arnival mo, ay nakaganon sigarilyo sa kanya. Tapos makikita mo pa si Manong bago ka bumili. Nandun sa talahiban, umiihi. Tapos biglang, Manong, pabili. Sige po, gayo.
Walang hugas kamay. Walang hugas kamay.
Rekta na yun, Brad.
Philippines hygiene.
Tapos pag kukunin niya yung pera mo, yung mga piso-piso, malay mo kung saan galing yun.
May amoy-amoy na yung 20 na, ay hindi na pala bill, piso na pala yung mga 20.
Di ba iniipit pa nila yun dito, nakagano, no? Parang,
yung parang mga jeep, yung nakaganto, mga Wolverine. Yung Wolverine.
Nandun yung flavor kaya siya mas masarap.
Tama. The extra dirt adds to everything. Pero seryoso lang kasi pag ginawa mong taho for some reason, anytime you put street food and mall together, parang nadidilute yung lasa. I mean, true. May exceptions ako dyan, like si Sam's and Potdog. Like, mga street food nila, okay ako dun eh. Pero anytime you bring street food and mall, parang nadidilute parate yung recipe. Like, masyadong elevated, masyadong deconstructed. Oo. Hindi. Ina-elevate lang nila masyado, dinedeconstruct nila masyado. Oo. You heard me. Dinideconstruct nila din masyado. Pero point being, hindi na siya yung nagiging taho na what you come to love. Essentially, ginagawa nilang bundok, tas onting arnibal, tas onting, hindi sago, boba pearls talaga.
Pero may gripe ako dyan. Meron akong hinanakit dyan. Kasi yung last time na nag-strawberry taho ako, yung mang tataho, alam mo kung magkano niya ako siningil para sa isang baso ng strawberry taho?
Wait, sa maliit baso.
Sa Baguio to Hindi. Yung plastic.
plastic.
Okay. Sa Baguio to Yung malaki naman, yung malaking plastic, yung mga ganyan. Yung mga ganyan kalaki.
Yung ganto.
Oo, yung ganyan. Alam mo magkano? Sa Baguio to 18 pesos. Sabi ko, yung taho sa tapat ng bahay namin, magkano lang to? 10 pesos?
10 or 5.
Oo, tapos,
wait, anong year to? Anong year to? Baka ma-shock yung mga viewers natin.
Sa bagay, I think this was like 2016. Medyo matagal na.
Oo.
Pero,
hindi, nakaka-shock. Oo, nakaka-shock pa rin either way. Kasi you can buy taho for 5 pesos eh.
Exactly.
Yung maliit.
Back in the day, yeah.
Na yun kasi yung, hindi na malayo yung 20 yung maliit na taho or yung medium na taho. Yeah. Kasi when I lived sa San Antonio, Pasig, yung ganito kalaki is like 30 pesos na. Well, this is San Antonio, Pasig. So, Pasig Central Business District.
So, kapag may urbanization or gentrification, nagmamahal yung taho.
Okay, nagbabalik po tayo sa Business Insider Podcast. Habang pinag-uusapan namin ang presyo ng taho.
The taho market moves a lot of things, ladies and gentlemen. Taho is the warm hug you didn't know you needed in the morning. Kailangan mainit. Which ends perfectly on my hot take. Ha?
Pwede totoong hug na lang.
Layo. Hindi.
Sorry. Sa mga audience namin, single po kaming tatlo. Pagbigyan nyo na po yung mga birit namin na hug.
Oo. Reto. Mag-reto. Pareto nyo naman lang kami. Please lang. Thank you.
Buti pa yung taho, hinahag tayo, no?
Oo. Iba pala yung pakiramdam pag hindi magulang o kapatid yung yumayakap sa'yo, no?
And welcome to GM to Me, where you send your question in the evening and we answer it in the morning. So
Like
for
the
our
true
first...
procrastinators, we are.
Maganda.
Hindi ko kaya yun. Magandang. Okay. For our first ever question on our show, we have a message from Jasmine. So, ang sabi ni Jasmine, Hi, GM to you. My name's Jasmine. I have a weird question. I'm not really a coffee person, but I love milk tea.
Alam na namin yung nickname mo.
Every morning, Jasmine tea. Every morning, my body craves it, but I get judged for drinking milk tea first thing in the morning instead of coffee or something more serious. Am I weird for choosing milk tea over coffee? Should I force myself to get into coffee just to feel more adult? Hope you can give me some real talk. Love
Unahan
you
ko na yan.
guys.
Unahan ko
I
na
love
yan.
you too.
I love you. We love you. Unahan na kita. Do you know, somewhere in Hong Kong and yung medyo yung what you call that, Cantonese districts of China and a bit of Taiwan. Taiwan. Oh.
Tama.
Did you know na yung breakfast staple doon, I'm not sure na what it is nowadays, pero back in the day, right after the British conquered them, or left them rather, yung staple breakfast doon is kaya toast. And did you know what it did come with? Did you guys, si Jasmine, did you know what it did come with? Hot milk tea.
Yeah.
Hot milk tea.
Pero yung milk tea nila doon is really milk tea.
Yeah, milk
Dito kasi yung milk tea natin may mga syrup pa na. Alam mo
Hindi,
yun, mga flavor.
tayong Pinoy lang yun. Pero either way, yung the true blue Taiwan milk tea or Hong Kong milk tea is literally evaporated milk and coffee.
Yes.
So are you weird? Sorry, unahan ko na siya. Are you weird for craving milk tea? Hindi. Kasi yung sinaunang form of milk tea exists with the kaya toast. Kasi wala namang, di naman nagkakape sa Hong Kong eh. I mean, na yun, meron. Pero like, back in the day, yung pag-toast pa nga lang ng tinapay, charcoal eh. Yung pang-barbecue.
Ano yung restaurant doon sa San Juan? Bugis?
Bugis.
Yan. Masarap yung kaya toast. Kasi, again,
actually,
they follow that, yung breakfast drink na hot milk tea.
Yeah.
Milk tea, oo.
Yes.
Nauso lang sa Pinoy yung magkape kasi we're predominantly conquered by the Spanish.
Yeah.
You can count the Japanese, American, pero ang point ko dito, Spanish. Kaya nauso ang kape.
Right.
Also,
meron
off script.
Meron din namang caffeine yung
yung tea. Yeah.
Actually, matcha. I was talking to my workmate the other day. Yung matcha, at least to him, has more concentrated caffeine.
Right.
Compared to other tea na yung mga English breakfast tea, yung ganun.
Yeah.
Anyway, off script pala, yung mga tatlong I like, there's Akun or Yakun, Kaya Toast, yung Bogies, that's one.
Yes.
And yung pinakasulit, if you were in Pasig area, Eats Fresh.
Yes! Eat Fresh. Oh my God, sobrang sarap ng siomai dyan.
Malapit sa amin.
Oo. Kumain na kami doon. Sarap, grabe.
Sarap.
As in, parang nasa Siray Mundo lang ako. Ganun yung quality niya.
Sarap ng Eat Fresh.
Ganun din,
Siomai,
sarap
panalo.
yun. Dude, speaking of Kaya Toast, you have the choice, yung coffee or milk tea. Guess what do most people get? At least
Yung
sa my
milk
experience
tea.
ko.
Yeah,
the milk tea. So to answer si Jasmine, no, you're not a child. It's called, we don't like caffeine crashes.
Ako, ang sasabihin ko lang kay Jasmine. Coffee, tea, or me. Joke lang. Or.
So, pwedeng lipasan si Biggs.
pwede mo ako i-skip.
Diba? Kasi sabi nga, you don't need to coffee to be an adult.
Yes. 100%.
Or you don't need coffee to be an adult.
Let's shift it to
Iba
another
nga, nagmamilo lang eh.
Yeah.
Shift natin to another adult drink. Although this is more after hours than morning hours. Not everyone will drink beer. Pero, and not everyone will drink hard alcohol. Kasi, there's two sides. Not everyone doesn't like to feel bloated after drinking.
Right.
And on the other hand, not everyone wants to feel like, tinamaan sila ng truck after drinking a shot.
Yeah.
Oo.
Same thing. That's why, hot take, I don't really drink wine. Kasi grabe yung headache ko after. So, it's the same.
Ako naman.
I mean, it's healthy for you,
ma-bloat.
yes.
Hindi, ako ayoko ma-bloat naman. Like, if I wanna feel it right away. Ganun.
Right.
Anyway.
Yeah, so it really depends on your taste. If you really prefer milk tea over coffee, then, do your thing. At the end of the day, what makes you happy is what's most important. Most important.
You are important.
I love it.
Wag ka mawili sa peer pressure.
Yes.
Do your thing.
So we urge our listeners, or we encourage our listeners na kumain ka ng taho sa park.
Yes.
So, magpainit ka na. Magpainit ka sa araw.
Painit?
Sorry.
Painit? Painit?
Or hinga ka lang dyan, or manood ka ng Squid Game, o nakalabas na po yung season 3. Alam niyo ba kung ano nangyari?
Ini-spoil eh.
Shut up.
Diba? So, ayun, manood ka ng mga ganun series, or magsulat ka lang, whatever.
Ba't ka manonood ng Squid Game sa umaga? Ang tense ng umaga mo naman.
I mean, kung gusto mo magpainit, pwede kitang samahan.
Ayun na naman po, parang waga. Tapusin na natin to. OT na kami. Anyway, thanks for watching GM2U today. Our first ever episode. Anyway, that's it for our episode today. I'm Stephen.
I'm Miguel.
I'm RG.
And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.